Hello everyone. So today I'm going to start what is the casting, or sometimes people will say what is the Python casting. So most of the interviewer you will see they will ask about what is the Python casting. So today this video I will explain what is the Python casting. So how it will work. Casting is nothing but what def means if you are just going one data type to another data type, or if you are converting one data type to another data type, is calling the casting. So how it works, suppose I declare one variable name a, and a I declare one variable name b, I declare 0.2, and variable c I declare one string Nikhil. So this is a three type of casting. So casting, before casting, you should know about what is a data type. If you not know and didn't watch my video, so you go there and watch my video what is a data type, so you will better understand what is casting and how it's work. So this is a, b and c. I declare three variable along with it data values. So this is an int. So int we are casting int. This is a float. So we are casting float of this value. uh, And now this is a string. So we are casting string for this value. And now I am just checking the type of this cast. So you will see, for checking the type of any casting, so you will use type built-in function of Python. So here I will check first variable I declare a. So it class int. When I say b, it's float, correct? Now c is a string. So this is a similar type of casting I created. If you want to create one type to another type, how it's work? So I want to convert this int into float. So how it's work? Float. Now float into integer, int, and string I will just keep it same. So now I print it a and just run this code. You will see it converted to float. When I say b, it converted to a string. So we made this integer into float, we made this float into integer, and we will keep the string as a same, because string cannot be converted into int, integer or float. But float will we can convert with string. Suppose if str, this is an int, and I create typecasted str a. So when I'll print a, you will see it's class of str. So now I am just removing this type and simply just print a. What happened? You will see like 1. It converted into str. When I'll just say b, it's converted into float. That's why it's coming 0. It's converted, sorry, int. It's coming, that's why 0, because it's nearby value of 0.2. It's taking only int value. Int value means 0.02. It's taking the first integer value 0. If I'll just convert it this float, and removing this. So how it works, let's see. 2.0. You will see like this. So this is the main typecasting or Python typecasting. I hope you will understand the concept. This is a very basic concept you will understand if you are following my channel and following my videos. So please like, share, and subscribe. Who is new in Python? This is a video for beginner to very advanced level. So you will see each and every video is interconnected. So please, if you are just following every video, so please follow each and every video one by one, so you will understand and you will be master in the future with Python, definitely with this channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please like, share, and subscribe. Again, I'm remembering. Thank you so much.